Have you ever just stared at your favorite trading indicator, the one with the perfect signals, and wished you could just bottle that magic, turn it into an automated strategy that trades for you? Well, guess what? You absolutely can. And you can do it for free. Today, we're going to take your favorite indicator and transform it into a fully automated trading robot using the amazing tools that are already built right into Ninjatrader.
Oh man, we have all been there. You're glued to the charts, you see a signal, you hesitate, and you miss it. Or you step away to grab a coffee, and of course, that's when the perfect trade happens. It's that constant battle with second guessing and emotion. That, right there, is the manual trading trap. It's where even the best indicators can lead to just pure frustration.
And this really gets to the heart of it. It's like a tale of two traders, right? On one side, you've got the chaos of manual trading. It's guesswork. It's missed signals. It's all driven by emotion. But on the other side, you have a strategy that's data-driven, totally disciplined, and optimized to perform. It executes perfectly every single time. Today, we're making that leap from Trader 1 to Trader 2. So, how do we even begin this transformation? Where's the starting line? Well, it all comes down to one single crucial requirement. Your indicator has to be able to talk to the machine in a language it can actually understand.
In that language, it happens through something called a plot. Now, I know that sounds super technical, right? But it's not. A plot is just a fancy name for the signals you can actually see on your chart, those buy arrows, the sell triangles, the little dots. It's the little piece of data that screams, hey, a signal just fired, right here, on this candle.
And here's the best part. This is not some rare secret feature. If you can physically see buy and sell signals on your chart, I don't care if they're arrows, dots, whatever, the odds are incredibly high that your indicator has a plot that you can tap right into and automate. All right, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty and start building this thing. We're diving into Ninjatrader's Strategy Builder. This is going to be our workshop, where we piece together our trading robot and, most importantly, create its control panel. First things first, we need to lay out all the knobs and dials. We give our strategy a unique name, and then we create inputs for our profit target and our stop loss. But here's the really critical part. We have to recreate every single adjustable setting from the indicator itself. Think of these as the control knobs that, later on, we're going to let the optimizer go crazy with to find the perfect settings.
Okay, our controls are in place. Now it's time to build the brain of our robot, the actual logic. But wait, before we let this thing anywhere near real money, we're going to run a super clever and totally safe test to make sure it's thinking the right way.
I love this part. I call it the dress rehearsal. We tell the strategy to watch our indicator's plot. Now, when that plot fires a signal, which technically just means its value is not equal to 0, we don't place a trade, no. Instead, we just tell it to change the background color of the chart. We compile it, apply it to a chart, and if we see a blue background perfectly lining up with every buy signal and a red one with every sell signal, we know our logic is absolutely flawless.
And once you've confirmed that, once the dress rehearsal is a smashing success, the final step is almost laughably simple. You just pop back into the strategy builder, delete that set background color action, and swap it out for the real deal. Enter long and enter short orders. Just like that, the brain is connected and it's ready to trade.
So, our strategy is built. It's smart. It works. But what are the best settings for it? This, my friends, is where we stop guessing forever and unleash the single most powerful tool in this entire process, Ninjatrader's Strategy Analyzer.
See, instead of just picking one profit target or one stop loss, we give the optimizer a whole playground to explore. We can tell it, hey, I want you to test every profit target from 50 to 300 ticks in steps of 50, and do the same for the stop loss. We give it a huge range of values to test for every single one of those knobs we built earlier. And this is the truly mind-blowing moment. With just those few ranges we set up, the optimizer is about to run back tests on 3,600 unique combinations of your strategy's parameters. It does in just a few minutes what would literally be impossible for a human to do in a lifetime.
And then, boom, out come the results. The optimizer does all that work and then presents you with a simple leaderboard, sorting every single one of those 3,600 backtests by performance. You can see clear as day which combination of settings produced the most profit, which had the best profit factor, all the data you need to make an informed choice.
So let's just zoom out for a second. What did we actually just do here? This was a journey. We started as discretionary traders, relying on default settings and our gut feelings, and we've transformed ourselves into quantitative analysts, making our trading decisions based on cold, hard, historical data.
This is really the whole story right here. You haven't just automated a few clicks on a chart. You've taken a simple visual indicator and you have transformed it into a powerful, data-driven trading engine that can find its own edge in the market.
This whole process gives you the power of a quant firm for free. It completely removes the guesswork, it silences the emotion, and it replaces all that chaos with a robust, back-tested plan. So the question is no longer, what do I think the market might do? It's this: now that you have the data, how will you use it to trade smarter?